marinate it yesterday. It's going in here. I just bought some picanha earlier today, and I'm drying it off. Brazilian meat. It's top sirloin in America, and what I'm doing right now is I am trimming off the fat, unnecessary fat. That's it. Putting pepper on the meat now. This is my sous vide bag right here, which I'm gonna be putting my picanha, onions, garlic, and the meat, and some rosemary and thyme. I'm just crushing my knife. This butter inside the picanha meat with our garlic that we just crushing and the onions that we chopped. Yeah, thyme and some rosemary. It smells really fresh. I end up getting some fresh ones instead of dried ones. This is a vacuum seal bag that I bought on Amazon. What I'm doing right now is just getting a slice of meat that I had cut from earlier. I'm gonna add some rosemary, a little bit. Put a couple garlics in there, garlic cloves, and then put some onions, and then put maybe 2 slices of butter. Okay, and I'm gonna double bag these, so when I sous vide these, it won't pop inside the sous vide machine. And right here is my vacuum sealer machine that I have bought on Amazon. And then I'm gonna just vacuum seal this guy. And it's sealing. That's it. And it's sealing right now. Picanha meat package that I'm gonna cook tomorrow, and I'm just leaving it overnight so I could get all the flavors inside the meat.